I am going to show you how to clear a title from the continue watching section on Disney Plus. To start, log into your Disney Plus account. Once you're on the homepage, scroll down until you see the continue watching section. So this section shows titles you haven't finished watching yet. Now, find the movie or episode you want to remove. For example, let's try Wall-E. Now to remove it, you'll need to skip to the very end of the video. Here. So you can do this by dragging the playback bar all the way to the end, or by tapping ahead in short increments if needed. Now, once you reach the end and the credits finish, the episode or movie should mark itself as completed. Go back to the homepage and check the continue watching section. The title should no longer appear.